Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We celebrate today the feast of Saint Thomas, one of the 12 apostles. And we wish to meditate and reflect one beautiful experience of Thomas that hopefully we all share and live today. Marahil po ay naririnig po natin ang ating mga kabataan o kung hindi man ay naririnig po natin ito sa mga kwentuhan na natin, formal man o informal, that whenever you share something, be it a story of your life, your vulnerability, be it sadness, be it a pain, it may be a joy, it may be a consolation, people will tell you, kwento mo lang yan, this is a safe place. Tayo lang ang makakaalam dito. Hindi ito lalabas. Hindi ko ito ikukwento sa iba. You will not be judged here. This is a safe place. You can express your heart out. You can say what's in your mind. You can be who you are. And when Jesus appeared to His disciples during that Easter day, most especially when Thomas was not with them, Jesus built that safe place for His apostles. When Thomas knew, or when Thomas received that news that Jesus appeared to them, Thomas was filled with questions. He was filled with doubts. Dapat makita ko kung totoo siya, makita ko yung mga tanda ng sugat sa kanyang kamay, sa kanyang paa, sa kanyang tagiliran, at doon ako maniniwala. And indeed, Jesus built and maintained that safe place when at that moment He appeared once more to His disciples, now with Thomas. Hindi naman hinayaan na ni Jesus at ng mga alagad niya na sa oras na iyon o sa karanasang iyon ay maparamdam nila kay Tomas, saan ka nagpupunta nung nagpunta si Jesus dito? Tanong ka ng tanong dyan kung ano ang itsura ni Jesus o kung maniniwala ka ba kay Jesus. You were not here a week ago. Why would we tell you how is Jesus now? But they all offered a safe place for Thomas. And we get to have this beautiful lesson that in the circle of Jesus, it's all right to have doubts or questions. It's all right to show our weakness. It's all right to show our wounds. Tignan-tignan po natin ang ating pagiging simbahan, ang ating pagiging pamilya, ang mga komunidad na iniikutan at mga kaibigang sinasamahan natin, kung okay lang ba ang mga bagay na ito. You may have experienced a friend or a family member who have just gone to church many years way back. And at that moment when you wish to invite him back, would tell you, yung simbahan, hindi ako pwede dyan makasalanan ako, madami akong tanong, matagal na akong nawala dyan. And it would depend in your answer if you would say, sige, panghawakan mo yan, o kaya sabihin mo, tama nga, diyan ka sa mga nawala, dito lang kaming mga may matatatag na pananampalataya at may magandang pananalig sa Diyos. Saint Thomas is remarkable, or will always be a remarkable experience and inspiration that in this circle Jesus made, in our families, in the church, in our friendship, whomever we meet, hopefully this is a safe place where it is all right to express our questions and doubts so that there can be an answer. It's all right to express our weakness so that we can help one another strengthen our lives. It's all right to show our wounds so that we can all together heal. Jesus built a safe place for Thomas, and we hope that we build that safe place where everything will be all right to express who we are and indeed face the grace and the blessings of the Lord despite or in spite of our weakness and showing our wounds, leading to healing and to His peace.